I'm Martin Polnick, and with me is Istok Smolic, founder and director of Agile Drop Limited, a Drupal development company based in Slovenia. And today we're going to hear Istok briefly describe the development of the Net Med Youth website, which is a part of the UNESCO initiative. Istok, what were the objectives of the project?
So NetMed, which is a part of UNESCO organization, works with young people across the Mediterranean area. The objective of the project is to give them a tool that they could communicate with a young audience. And the general idea is that young people are important in this area, and we need to give them a possibility to connect and work with each other. And that's what was demanded from us to support through a website that we did.
And what were the project requirements?
Well, the site needed to support a lot of multimedia content.
Mhm.
We have news articles, press releases, videos from YouTube, image galleries. So the website required to handle all of that content.
Okay.
It also needed to be, from the design perspective, it needed to be friendly to young audience.
Mhm.
They don't like, like corporate design and serious. So we needed to include something fun, and this was maybe something that we didn't saw in previous projects with UNESCO. So this is maybe one of the challenges that we had.
Oh, okay. Why did you recommend Drupal 8 to the client?
Well, Drupal 8 was at that point was an obvious choice.
Mhm.
Drupal 8 was mature enough to use it, even though it wasn't even released at that time.
Mhm.
But the features that were available for us were out of the box, just enough for us to build this website. Um, Addition to that, we saw that based on the new Drupal 8 initiative that is, mobile friendly, we knew that the website also has to be, responsive, and Drupal 8 was really supporting us doing that. And the other part was that from the mobile perspective, Drupal 8 is also has a mobile friendly backend, which was very important for them because they're always on the go and they need to upload
Mhm.
their media while
Right.
they're doing something.
Right. So then, what modules or themes were used, and why actually?
Yeah, so in comparison with previous versions of Drupal,
Mhm.
Drupal 8 really comes with a lot of features that are actually out of the box enough for many of the projects. So in this case, we haven't really relied on many what we call contrib modules. So we used a lot of out of the box things. What we used for the modules that we used were for just to improve the user experience of the administrators and editors of
Right,
the, of
right.
the website,
Yeah.
and some for SEO reasons.
So, and how big was the team that worked on the project actually?
On project, we had one project manager who was overseeing the whole project, a designer who did all of the visuals,
Okay.
a site builder and backend developer who was in charge of the Drupal development,
Mhm.
and a front end developer or teamer, or that's how we call them, to make sure that whatever a designer was, designing,
Right, right.
we actually implemented on the website.
Okay.
So yeah, and each person was contributing on the project to do their magic. So.
So, last question. What was in the end accomplished?
Well, the client was very happy with the result. This is very important for us. Um, Additionally, we also got a lot of credit and good words about our implementation of the design,
Mhm.
which is funny enough quite a big thing because Drupal doesn't really have a lot of credits when it comes to design.
Mhm.
And Yeah, we as a as people who actually worked on that project, we're very happy that we see that every day is being used and it has visitors. So this is
Right.
the most important part for us.
Well, I think that pretty much answers everything. Thank you, Istok, for taking the time to speak with us. And for those that are listening in, you can look at the NetMed Youth website at www.netmedyouth.org. Thank you, and bye.